my Wi-Fi booster. So this is a new purchase for me. So I can travel so much because I can work as I go. But the problem is, because I work from my laptop, I need a good internet connection. Now, when I was travelling around Scotland last year, even right up on the north coast of Scotland, I always managed to get a signal. The problem was that the speeds weren't quick enough. So most of my files are stored in the cloud. So because I was trying to access them and change them constantly, I was uploading and downloading a lot of files. Now, because the speeds were quite slow, it created a backlog, which then slowed down my laptop, and it made it very difficult for me to do any work, especially when I'm sat waiting for a file to download. So I recently bought a Wi-Fi booster to try and increase my upload and download speed. Now, importantly, this isn't going to give you a signal if there isn't one. So if you're in an area where there is just no signal whatsoever, it's not going to magic one up out of thin air, but it is going to boost whatever signal is there, if that makes sense. Now, as mentioned, this is a new purchase for me, but I did do a test of it in one of my recent videos. I'll link to it up here somewhere for you if you want to check that out, and I was very impressed with its performance. Now, of course, this is just on one campsite. I still need to go and test it on other campsites and in different locations of the UK, but so far I'm really happy with it, and I hope it's going to make a big difference to my work.